In this video, I will show you how to cancel your Houzz Pro subscription. Begin by logging into your Houzz Pro account. Hover over or click on Settings option. Under Account Settings, click on Subscription. Select Manage My Subscription at the top of the page. Click on Submit Request under the cancellation section. Select Yes, I would like to cancel and then click Continue at the bottom. If prompted, you can extend your free trial by selecting that option, otherwise click No Thanks. Enter a reason for canceling such as changing business and then click Confirm. Even if there is a brief glitch, you should see a message stating that you have lost premium access to Houzz Pro, confirming the subscription is cancelled. So now you know how to cancel Houzz Pro subscription. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.